In this video, I'm going to talk about table copies and how to create them. A table copy is a type of link that allows you to take a column from one table, copy and paste it on another table. A table copy also might be called a join in some cases for those of you who are familiar with querying language. If you're not, do not worry, we're going to go through an easy example here. So I have two tables. We have a data sheet of customers, as you can see here, and one data sheet of transactions. Now, I'm missing a lot of information in my list of transactions. Say if I wanted to export this, I just have ID numbers, but I do not know who is behind this transaction. So what I can do is use a table copy to bring information from another table. I'm going to grab some columns, say name, and then the address information, city and state, copy it over so that then that information is available in the transactions table. Okay, let's get to work. The first thing I want to do is to make sure that I have the author ribbon visible. I can click on author, then I can head over under condition data to the link tables option. Once I click on that, I will get the link wizard, and you might recognize it from our other videos on selection links and table rollups. In this case, I just care about the table copy. In here I want to click next, and in here I'm going to choose to perform a table copy. So basically what a table copy does is it will look for unique identifiers in both tables, in this case an ID number that's related to one person, and then it's going to go across the two tables, look for matching identifiers across, and it's going to use those to bring the information from an origin table to a destination table. In here, once I select perform table copy, I can click next. In here, I'm going to select the link origin, so the table where the information is coming from. In this case, the table that has the name is the customers table. Then I'm going to choose the identifier in here for the person, so it's the ID number. Next, I want to select the destination table. So this is the table where I want the information to appear after the table copy. In this case, it's a transaction table where we have no name or address information. I want to find for the identifier there, or the key field, its ID number. I want to click next, and now I can choose the field or fields that I want to copy into the destination table. So in here I can choose city, for example, state, and then we're going to choose the name. You can choose as many fields as you want, but in this case these three will do. I'm gonna click next. Then this next option I normally leave it by default because it's just the name that advisor is going to use for the table copy. It won't be displayed on any chart. Next, I'm going to click finish, and now the fields that I copy should be available on the destination table. So let's take a look at the transactions table. In here I'm gonna click the little gray arrow here at the bottom and open the chart configuration. Now in here I can see that I have the region, city, the region, state, and the preferred name sort, the fields that I brought over from the customers table. There you go. So I would like to finish with a word of caution. When creating a table copy, you always want to think about the relationship between the keys in the two tables. So for example, in this case, we were able to bring over the name, the city, and the state because a person will always have just one of those in this particular case. So ID number 230515 will always correspond to Deanne. It is safe to bring any information from this customers table to the transactions table. On the other hand, if I wanted to copy some information from this transactions table to the customers, say the amount or the transaction date, we see there's different values for the same ID number. I do not recommend performing a table copy in this case because the result might be unexpected. Instead, I recommend looking into selection links and rollups. You can find those videos in our Help Central page. I really appreciate you watching. Hope this was helpful. Thanks.